Imagine you are watching the chart. Your mind says, buy now. Don't wait till the price is going up. Every trader has these thoughts, beginner and pros. But here is the secret. Your thoughts are not always the truth. In this video, I will not give you a magic way to win. No, I will show you the common thoughts that strike every trader. I will show you why they are traps and how to pros avoid them. Most traders follow their feeling. They think it's enough, but the market is more complex than a feeling. So let's look deep into these thoughts. Let's learn why we have them and how to understand the market better. Let's start with thought that confuse every trader. Thought number 1, if the price goes up, I buy. If it goes down, I sell. This looks simple, but it is a trap. Your mind wants fast money, but the market moves because of expectation, not just the current price. Okay, thought number 2, the news is everything. Many traders think that knowing news is enough. They think rate hike means I win. The shocking thoughts. The market already moved before you saw the number. If you enter now, you are too late. Thought number 3, my strategy is safe. This is the biggest danger. Many traders follow rules like a robot. They think all the rules work forever, but pros know the truth. A strategy without understanding the market is just an illusion. Every trader has these thoughts, but knowing them is the first step to avoid the trap. Why do this idea trick us? It is because of how our brain works. The brain loves patterns. When the price goes up, your brain thinks it will stay up. When it goes down, your brain thinks it will stay down. This is a big mistake. The market is not that simple. Following news only. Your brain thinks a news report changes everything, but the market often moves before the news. This is why most traders enter too late. The move is already over. Too much trust in the rules. Beginner, think one strategy works forever. Your brain wants to feel safe, but the market changes every day. What was right yesterday can be wrong today. Understanding these tricks is the secret. A pro trader does not just watch indicator. A pro understands the context. They know when to enter and when to get out. The secret is not to ignore your thoughts. The secret is to understand them. Your thoughts show you fear and your hope, but they are not always the truth about the market. Professional traders do not stop these thoughts. They study them. They ask, why do I feel this now? For example, if you feel a strong need to buy, it might be a trap. Maybe the price is too high already. So do not follow random feeling. Look at the context. Look at the liquidity. Look at support and resistance. This helps you use your mind as a tool, not a trap. The big idea is, when you understand why you have a trap, you become stronger. You become a better trader. You make better decisions. Now, let's look at what really happens inside a trader's mind. When you trade, your brain is not always logical. It looks for patterns and safety. Every thought like, buy now, or the price will go up soon, is just a reflection of your fear or your hope. It is not the market. For example, a beginner sees the price going up fast. His brain screams, buy now. His heart beats fast. He enters the trade. 1 minute later, the price crashes. He lost money. Why? Because he followed his feeling. He forgot that big trader already made their move before he opened his screen. The three layers of the mind. Let's divide the trader's mind into 3 layers. 1. The emotional mind. This is where a fear and greed live. It makes you enter late or exit too early. New traders think this is their intuition, but it usually tricks them. 2. Surface mind. This part looks at news, like interest rate or inflation. It thinks the number is good, I will win. But it forgets that the market already accepted this number. The move happened before the news came out. 3. The pro mind. This is the difference between a beginner and a pro. The pro watch the liquidity and support and resistance. Pros study their feeling. They don't just follow them. Every thought is a tool, not an order. Common mistakes. Okay? Following feelings. Your feeling is usually late. The market already moved. 2. Chasing news. Beginners think news give them a chance. Pros know news is already priced in. Ignoring the group. You are not trading alone. The market is in a global brain. It moves based on everyone's expectation. Real example. When a news day, everyone wants to buy. The result, the price crashes. The pro trader watch this. He says, where is the money is moving? And well, others are shocked. Simple conclusion. Success is not just about technical tools or news. Real success is understanding your mindset. Every feeling, fear or hope can be a tool if you understand it. The secret is not just what you know, but how you think about what you know. Turn your fear into a tool. Turn your thought into success. This is what makes a great trader. The final lesson is this. Every thought you have in trading is not a threat, but it is a chance to understand the market better. Your brain tricks you, the market accepts you, but the pro uses every thought to win instead of losing. If you want to be a better trader, don't follow your thoughts blindly. Understand them, train your mind to analyze the context. This is how every feeling becomes a tool from success. In the next video, I will show you the next step, how to understand the global mind on the market and how to turn your thoughts into a real advantage. Write in the comment, I'm ready to understand my mind and the market. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with anyone who knows that trading is more than just numbers. And that's it. Peace.